Hi there, I hope all of you are in a spectacular health. Let's begin the video. The first word is affirmation. So what does it mean? It means a positive statement which is true. Like you all have written somewhere about your life. You can call it manifestation as well. That's what's gonna happen next. Like you've written somewhere that what's meant for you will find you, or I am the best. So that's all involved, it's all included in affirmations, right? The very next is fathom. It means to understand or find explanation for something. How can you use it in a sentence? You can say, I couldn't bear the fathom that he was not interested in this project. That's how you use it. The next word is blurt out. It means to say something without thinking about it. You don't just need to blurt out. You have to think twice whatever you want to say. Think twice before say. Don't just blurt out. Okay, the next word is constraint. It means limited. Very limited. And you can say that because of the time constraint, I couldn't stay here even though I want to. Or I have to wind up the presentation because of the time constraint. So that's how you use it. Next word is concurrently, means at the same time. My mom's on the phone while she's concurrently preparing the food for us. Means you are good in doing two things at once. Means you should be concurrently in different situations. The very next is harrowed, which means stressful, mentally or physically. You can relate to. So harrowed means mentally or stressful situation. Nobody wants to live a harrowed life. The very next is validate. It means to confirm or to prove. I don't need your validation to marry him, or I don't need your validation. I trust her. So that's how you use the word validate. The very next is ambivert. So there's this word which is extrovert, and there's another word which is called introvert. So extrovert means a person who is socially available all the time, means person who likes to be social, and the introvert means a person who doesn't like to be social, wants to stay at home, who feel like how should I put it, who don't feel like comfortable in talking to people. So that's the kind. There's another kind which is ambivert, which means a balanced person who can talk to people, who can stay silent. So let me know in the comment section, are you extrovert or introvert or ambivert? I hope you like the video. Get someone to talk to with and to practice these words and sentences with. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.